John Ball Zoo is the perfect place to bring your students for a field trip. Visit animals from around the world while working on your learning goals. Admission is free for all K-12 Kent County schools. Visit jbzoo.org today.
We are at Lowell High School, and I am teaching the guitar building class, which is brand new here at the high school. I came across this site called guitarbuilding.org, and this is a group of people that have like a national curriculum that they have put together for many years now. I went to their workshop last summer, spent a week in Ohio. The Lowell Community Fund here gave us a very large grant to get some things like the CNC machine, all the guitar tools we'll need, some materials to get us through the first couple years. So each student got a kit. We started out by going through all the parts and make sure everything was there, but the first thing that they did was design and lay out their headstock for the top of the neck, decide what shape they wanted. They had pretty much freedom, along with a few restrictions about what they could do.
So my grandma passed away about a year ago, and I kind of made it in honor of her, and then I used a Dremel to put all these designs in it. It took a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take, but at the end I'm very proud of how it came out.
From there we progressed on to body work.
It was almost like basically a block of wood that was in the shape of a guitar, and so we had to sand it out and get all this stuff done, drill holes for specific parts in the electronics.
We worked on putting on our strap buttons, and we drilled holes for the jack plate. Earlier in this class, we have spent a lot of time working on the neck and putting the frets on.
The necks are the really difficult parts of it. There's a lot of fine work with files and specialized guitar tools. They did all that, and then they finished the guitars with what we call true oil.
I really enjoyed working with the bandsaw to make the headstock. That was probably my favorite part of this.
I've had a lot of enjoyment out of this. As a musician, I've been around it, and it's just really cool to see what goes into the work that's gone into building it and all the time that it takes.
If you enjoy like playing guitar and hands-on work and stuff, it'd be a perfect fit.
Seeing him do his demonstrations and me getting to understand everything that he does and just kind of do it myself, not just see him do it.
I'm excited to learn how to play a guitar that I built by myself.
We're going to be finishing these guitars up, and we're going to have what we call Rockstar Friday, where the kids are going to play their guitars, and we'll probably hook it up to some speakers. Most of them can't play guitar, and I said that's fine, just jam on these things and have some fun, because you are playing an instrument that you made by hand. I mean, it was nothing but some scraps of wood and some pieces of metal, and even if you don't know how to play, hang that thing on the wall and show off what you've made. That's pretty cool.